Hey everybody, this is Liam Martin from Running Mode, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Asus mic noise canceling adapter. This could be a complete game changer to get rid of all of those weird, wacky noises that you always have on phone calls and on video Zoom calls. Let's test it out and get started. Okay, so this little tool here was sent to me by a friend who was comparing this to Krisp.ai. If you have not watched our Krisp.ai video, you should check it out. We'll link it up in the video doobly-doo thingy up here. Basically what that thing does is it uses software to be able to remove background noises live from a phone call. And he said, oh, why would you want to pay $5 per month per user for something like that when you can buy this thing? And this thing, if it focuses, is $60. I got it off Amazon and it just got delivered today. So we're gonna test this out. We're gonna unbox it and we're going to see whether or not this could be a really good replacement and it's a one-time purchase versus a recurring product. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's first unbox this. I love unboxing stuff. I wish I had an unboxing channel, to be completely honest with you. Whoa, that's pretty cool. So in the box, you have the actual dongle itself, and I'm assuming this is an adapter. This, by the way, is also USB Type-C, which is really good. So I have a MacBook and all we have are USB-C plugs. So that means that I don't even need to use a hub or a dongle in order to actually make this work. So this is the actual thing itself, and then there is some documentation that you really don't actually need to see. I'm assuming it's plug and play, but let's find out. So we're gonna take this out. Wow, that was really fast. And I have actually found one of the absolute worst earbuds that I have in my house. I believe the brand name of these particular earbuds are called nothing. I think they're just black. I have no idea what brand name they are, but they've been rolling around my house for years. I found them in the bottom of a junk drawer. So I thought to myself, this would probably be one of the best things to try, because a lot of these newer earbuds like the Bose or the AirPods or anything else, they usually have really good microphones and they might cover up background noises more than something like this. So I'm gonna plug this into my computer. We're gonna connect up the unit. Looks pretty self-explanatory, and I'm going to plug it right in. Okay, so I'm officially recording audio directly from this unit right here, and I believe this is the first version that is just the internal microphone. Now I'm gonna try to switch to the Asus AI noise canceling mic adapter. Okay, this is me just recording directly from this crappy microphone. This is also me making some weird background sounds with this pieces of paper. Maybe also doing something like this. Okay, and now let's try it with mic adapter. Now this is me recording with the AI or the mic adapter, the Asus mic adapter. Here's me doing exactly the same thing. I'm not hearing it yet, so I don't know whether it's better or not. And now this is exactly the same crappy microphone, but through the Krisp.ai audio noise canceling system. Yes. What do you think? Okay, so I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. Do you like the regular one? Do you like the Asus one? Or do you think Krisp is still the winner for noise cancellation in live streams? It looks to me like it's pretty darn equal. I gotta look at the audio a couple more times to really figure out for sure, but it seems like this is a fantastic buy if you don't want something recurring and you're only working from one computer, or if you want to really kind of like move stuff around from computer to computer, or even to, I'm assuming this would also work on like a smartphone. The documentation really doesn't tell you that, but I'm assuming that that is possible. So if you like this video, why don't you like it, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and buy one of these suckers, or Krisp, whichever one you want. Both are going to be linked down below in this video. Other than that, I hope to see you in the next one.